capital Q. This is a lowercase q. Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter Q. This is a capital Q. This is a lowercase q. You know how the Q looks now. Let's make the letter Q sound. Qua, 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 qua. Yeah! Q is for queen. Q is for question. Q is for quack, quack, quack. Q is for quilt. Q is for quick. Q is for quiet. You know some Q words now. Let's make the letter Q sound. Qua, 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 qua. Your turn. Qua, 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 qua.